Would you like to live in this small and charming house with a footprint of 36 square meters? Then we are here with the entire plan and an estimated construction cost for our little house. To build this plan, you should have an average of 200 square meters or more of land. The exterior of the house attracts attention with a modern and simple architectural concept. Complementary colors on the facade offer a harmonious and modern look in sync with the surroundings. The chosen cladding in the design of our house provides the privilege of living close to nature. Upon entering, it offers a warm family atmosphere with one bedroom and one open kitchen living room. Thanks to the practical design of the living room and kitchen, you can spend unique moments with your family. In the bedroom, carefully selected bedding and storage areas offer an efficient use of space in our home. The budget you need to allocate for the construction of this house is included in the description with the current cost. For all visuals and application plan measurements of this plan, you can visit our link in the description. Stay tuned for the latest home models and current costs by following us.